Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide formula in Excel sheet. Now, regardless of how simple your Excel sheet is, this is basically how you're going to do it. Yeah, I have this thing right here. They have very simple formula right now, but regardless if they're complicated, basically the result or the way how you're going to do it is the same. So from here, go ahead and click this little triangle right here, and then you're going to head over to the format and then format cells. And then here, what you're going to do is instead of lock, uncheck that one, hit OK. And then what you're going to do is look for those that has formulas. So in my case, I've marked them red just for your visibility. But basically head over to find and select, go to special, and then from here choose formulas. So make sure that all of them are checked. Hit OK, and you can see that it basically chooses all of the things that has formula in your Excel sheet. So if you have more than what I'm showing you right here, it's gonna show. Yeah, basically that's the thing, and then we head over to the formula, format cells, and now we are hiding it. Now click OK, and you can see that formula is still there. One last step is click review, password protect, and then you're going to enter a password here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, type it again, hit OK, and basically your formula is gone. So yeah, you can see that all of the formulas here are gone on my end. Yeah, that's basically how you're going to do it. If you head over to the other parts that is not selected, you can see that numbers are still there. And the good thing is that you can go ahead and proceed however you want. You can actually go ahead and even delete this one, and it's gonna work. So, yep, that is how you're going to hide formula in Excel sheet.